Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. So today we are able to see this most important scenario based question in the Power BI. So that is, how can we display multiple selected values from the slicers in a card visual. So firstly, what we will do for solving this problem. So we need to fetch the data, that is this data is stored in this Excel format. So just we need to import in the Power BI desktop, that is the order. We fetch in the Power BI desktop only. uh, yeah, this is the table that is ordered into the there is different types of columns present. Based on the region columns, we can able to do this to solve this problem. So firstly, what we will do, so just go to the card. In the card, we choose this region. Yeah, okay, this automatically this Canada will selected here. Just go to the formatting into the visual border we use here, and in that and after that we choose this option of this, go to the slicer. Into that we also choose this, we put here in the slicer, that is the region only. So just go to that above format. We will do some formatting here, same as it is for the Canada. You know that this there is a different regions are present, and this is the suppose I choose this multiple selection of the region. So it will not display into that card visual, right? So we want to suppose I choose this particular regions of this regions, and it will show from the comma basis, or on the space basis we can able to do this, like Canada, and after that there is a Caribbean. So Central Africa will came into that card. So we will do this in the using the different types of DAX function here. So we use the concatenate. Just I go to that table, and click on to the new measure. Based on this new measure, we can do this like a dynamic. So dynamic card visual is equal to, what we can do here, we use concatenate tags. From that we choose this table. After that just do the comma, and we choose this based on this region we can able to find it. Yeah, once I created this dex of the dynamic card visual, just click onto that, right click, and you know that I delete this first region. So I make the I implemented this in the dynamic card visuals into that card. So you know that we can able to see here, there is a different types of it's working, but it will came into that in a different manner. So we want just comma basis, or in a space basis, and we don't want to came into the duplicate. So it Caribbean, it will came in the duplicate. So I want just to the single value into the table for each region. So we will try to do this. Just I go to that DAX here. What we will do here, we do this filtering on the basis of this orders table, right? So we want just onto the column basis. So that's why we can do this I just click it here, based on this order, that is the order. That column name is, sorry, I delete this. I want okay, sorry, I want this on a distinct function we use here. From that there is a order. Based on this region only we can able to do this. Just close it, and do it the comma here after that. So it's now done. So we will do this, based on this it will came or not. So you know that this Canada and Caribbean, it came single, because we use here a distinct function. So based on this it's correct, but in between Caribbean and Canada, so I want space. Suppose I choose this Central America also. So Central America, it's came correct. And again I choose this Canada, and again I choose this Caribbean. So you know that there is a no space in between this, so I want space, so we will do some changes in into that major only, right? Here we use that is the comma here, and we use here the delimiter for delimiter option is there. So in the delimiter we use this double quote. In the double quote, how we space we want. Suppose I do this space, and suppose I do this space in that between. So right click onto that, so you know that this comma will came, but after that comma, suppose I want to one space, so we'll do it here, and after that just do this clearly, right? So that is the task. And suppose I delete this from this card, right? And suppose I choose this one, and again this one, and again O, again this South America, right? So what will happen here? So just I drag it. So you know that this order is not specific onto the ascending or descending order. So suppose I want to do the ascending or descending, so we can do this in the field in the card visual. So we do some changes in the card visual. After that we use here also that comma, and in the comma we use this outer by expression we are able to show here, right? So based on this, what we'll do, just click onto that outer table, and onto the region, right? So this is the column, and after that we want, suppose ascending and descending two options are there. So I want to do this in a descending order, so we can able to do this in descending. So just click onto that, and that's it. So you know that this is ascending. After that, yes, we can came into that this O, and after that there is a North America and Eastern US will came. Suppose I want to do the ascending, so we can able to do this ascending. Just click on to change it to ascending and descending. Based on this, we can calculate here. Our requirement is correct, right? But suppose I have not click these slicers, and it will show here like in the slicer what sorry, in the card what will show, it's different types of automatically this value in this card text is came here, right? We can't select this any like slicers, well slicer countries, right? So but it will not shown, it's still showing this values, right? So based on this, what we will do, suppose I am not click onto that any region, so it will show that no selection. So we will do these changes in using this DAX only, that is dynamic card visuals. We use if condition here. If suppose if this sorry if this if this is filtered, we use is filtered function here. If filtered based on this order, based on this orders region table, regions column, just will do it close, and just comma it. Yeah, from that what we will do, so is filter region is there, so it will be, fetch these records. Otherwise what we'll do, so no selection will be there, comma, what we'll do, just do it, no selection will come into the output, right? Just close this if condition, right? And do it clearly. You know that currently we didn't choose any regions, so it will show that no selection. Suppose I have choose this Canada and other Caribbean, it will show this comma basis, and it will show this everything is accurately. Yeah, right. So that's it. Thank you.